हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम आरआरबी एनटीपीसी ग्रेजुएट लेवल 2025 में पूछे गए सभी 45 स्ट्रैटेजी के क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे जो अपकमिंग एनटीपीसी एग्जाम के लिए हेल्पफुल होगा। तो सभी क्वेश्चंस को ध्यान से देखना और चैनल में नए हैं तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर देना। ऑलराइट, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ श्राइन इज द नीलमंगला टेम्पल लोकेटेड इन नेमम, केरला इन इंडिया नोन टू बी? Option number C is the correct answer. Sandhar type. Question number 2. Which major tourism fair was held in Berlin from 4 to 6 March 2025? Option number A is the correct answer. ITB Berlin. Question number 3. Which Gumpha at Khandagiri in Odisha, India is known for carvings of 24 Jain Tirthankars? Option number A, Trishula Gumpha. 4. Which Indian state has the largest number of tribal communities classified under particularly vulnerable tribal groups (PVTGS) as of December 2022? Option number C, Odisha. 5. In March 2025, Ordnance Factories Day was observed to commemorate the founding of India's first ordnance factory in dash. Option number D, Kosipore. Question number 6. The Reserve Bank of India has its offices in how many locations in India as of April 2025? Option number D, 33 location. 7. How many offices of the University Grants Commission are in Delhi? Option number D, 3. 8. Which global observance did UNESCO mark on 24 January 2025? Option number D, International Day of Education. 9. The famous Tirumurti sculpture is present in which of the following caves? Option number C, Elephanta caves. 10. What percentage of the urban population in India lives in slum conditions as per the census 2011? Option number D, 17.4%. 11. In December 2024, which day honored Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's contribution to social justice? Option number A, Mahaparinirvan Divas. 12. The Himalayan High Altitude Atmospheric and Climate Research Center was inaugurated on 8th April 2025 in which district? Option number C, Udhampur. 13. Which of the following caves are famous for its high citadel? Option number A, Junagadh Caves. 14. Where is the Indian Naval Air Station INS was located? Option number C, Great Nicobar Island. 15. The Ministry of MSMEs in India celebrates the MSME Day on dash. Option number C, 27th June. 16. In March 2025, which national day or week emphasized industrial workplace safety? Option number D, National Safety Week. 17. In November 2024, which day was celebrated to honor India's contribution to the dairy revolution? Option number C, National Milk Day. 18. The recycling status of Lord Vishnu is found in which of the following caves? Option number B, Undavalli Caves. 19. Where is the headquarters of the National Turmeric Board, which was established in 2025? Option number D, Nizamabad. 20. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Kakatiya Rudrashwar Temple is situated in which of the following states of India? Kakatiya Rudrashwar Temple. Option number A, Telangana. 21. Which of the following architectures has been built in the Charbagh style? Option number A, Taj Mahal. 22. Which Indian state was named the go-to global destination for 2025 by the Wall Street Journal, highlighting its rich heritage and diverse wildlife? Option number B, Madhya Pradesh. 23. Which country hosted the 78th Cannes Film Festival in May 2025? Option number B, France. 24. The Bach Caves, which contain Buddhist mural paintings, are located in which of the following states of India? Option number A, Madhya Pradesh. 25. Dholavira is unique for which of the following? Option number B, water conservation system. 26. The famous building Qutub Minar has been built under which style of architecture? Option number B, Mamluk style. 27. On 24th January 2025, which day was celebrated to promote girls' rights and welfare in India? Option number D, National Girl Child Day. 28. Which of the following materials has been mainly used for building the Jahangiri Mahal in Agra Fort? Option number C, red sandstone. 29. In November 2024, the birth anniversary of the tribal leader Birsa Munda was celebrated as? Option number C, Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. 30. Which site is known for its elaborate dockyard structure? Option number A, Lothal. 31. According to the census of India, what was the approximate decadal growth rate of India's population during 2001 to 2011? Option number C, 25.6%. 32. The largest monolithic rock structure in the world, the Kailash Temple, is situated in which of the following caves? Option number C, Ellora Caves. 33. Swaraj Deep, a popular tourist destination known for its beaches, is located in? Option number C, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. 34. Which hill station is located in the Nilgiri Hills? Option number B, Ooty. 35. Which Bank of India will mark its 90th anniversary in 2025? Option number C, Reserve Bank of India. 36. What was the literacy rate in India according to the 2011 census? Easy question. Option number A, 74.04%. 37. What was the theme for the Republic Day 2025 celebration in India? Option number A, Swarnim Bharat, Virasat or Vikas. 38. Which of the following tribal groups is associated with the Hornbill Festival in Nagaland? Option number C, Naga tribe. 39. An astronomical observation site, Jantar Mantar, which is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located in which state? Option number A, Rajasthan. 40. In February 2025, India's External Affairs Minister and envoys from 61 countries visited which national park to experience its rich biodiversity? and the iconic one-horned rhinos? Option number D, Kaziranga National Park. 41. What was the sex ratio in India as per the 2011 census data? Option number A, 943 females per 1000 males. 42. Which of the following is known as the Steel City of India? Option number A, Jamshedpur. Question number 43. Who was the first woman to become the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Option number A, V.S. Ramadevi. 44. The Indian Space Research Organization launched its first satellite Aryabhatta in which year? Option number B, 1975. 45. Which state is famous for the Sula vineyards, a popular wine tourism destination in India? Option number A, Maharashtra. So that's all, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, you can get PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.